Salam alaikum. I'm Theo Kim. Hyundai Motor Company strives to deliver values beyond customer expectations with the vision of progressive for humanity. Although the new Azera is a facelifted model, we have applied massive changes and upgrades, meeting the rapidly changing market and customer needs. I'm so pleased to introduce Hyundai's most sophisticated and elegant next-generation flagship model, Azera. The keyword that best describes the new Azera design is premium. The major element is the new parametric dual pattern grille, highlighting the new flagship sedan's upscale and premium image. The LED DRL positioned on the grille adds a shimmering jewel touch, illustrating the new Azera's iconic and futuristic image. The new Azera gives off an elegant yet sporty look. It is imposing and not old-fashioned, boasting its flagship elegance while keeping pace with the trends. Its 60mm longer length gives the model a more stable stance, especially with the 40mm longer wheelbase. The front features a customizable 64-color ambient light system to suit your daily mood. The key point to interior design is to help you visualize yourself sitting in a comfortable upscale lounge. We have also blended the symbolic colors of the Middle East like the fine sand color of desert. The dual 12.3-inch screens illustrated Azera's high-tech image. Also, the 6 different sounds of nature will bring extreme comfort to you. A tidier floor console with shift-by-wire transmission adds a more refined touch of elegance. Hyundai's new Azera comes with the latest high-tech features to cater to the sophisticated taste of our customers. The blind spot view monitor detects other vehicles coming from blind spots, while blind spot collision avoidance assist prevents lane change leading to possible collision, both proactively ensuring your safety. Lane following assist through lane identification will maintain the vehicle at the center of the current lane. Through LFA, you will discover Hyundai's latest autonomous vehicle technology. ADAS found in the previous model, including forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, and smart cruise control system, will also be available in the new Azera. Surround view monitor was further upgraded with a large 12.3-inch screen. Rear view, rear top view selection is possible according to parking conditions, and the top view on the right allows zoom in and out. Safe exit assist when identifying a vehicle approaching from the blind spot after parking keeps the electronic power child lock activated while protecting the second row passengers. This is a safety feature available for the new Azera customers who consider family safety as top priority. Given the high elegance of Azera customers who care for both themselves and their families, we have applied a backup guide lamp for the first time among Hyundai lineup. By displaying guiding lights on the road when backing the vehicle, it alerts pedestrians to be aware that the driver is driving back, providing additional safety. The new Azera applies rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist. The feature provides both a simple warning and emergency braking when a vehicle coming from a blind spot is detected, while the driver is backing up the car. RCCA eliminates the risks of blind spots together with EVM and BCA to deliver a stress-free driving environment. On the first day of early contacts in Korea, Hyundai pre-sold 17,000 units of new Azera, the highest record in Hyundai's history. We cannot wait to introduce this successful model to our African and Middle Eastern customers. Hyundai's new Azera, with an upgraded sense of luxury, and elegance will accompany you on your journey to success. Thank you.
شيكا. ايش هو النجاح؟ النجاح هو قوة.
تدفعك دائما للأمام،
بس ما تنسيك تشوف وراك.
النجاح هو الجودة
اللي تفهمك وتلبي طموحك.
النجاح يعني تقدر تغير مسارك
عشان تبقى دائما في المقدمة.